Assuming you're searching for Ethereum cost expectations conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Ethereum ETH will go from now on. We will dissect the previous costs of Ethereum ETH and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 when digital forms of money were at their pinnacle. The advancement that was utilized to assemble Bitcoin was accustomed to carry Ethereum into this present reality. Ethereum is absolutely programmable. This implies that you can assemble dApps, decentralized applications, with next to no hustle effectively on their organization. The elements of the application that is based on the organization are extremely advanced. All the organization gives you play with its developments access an exceptionally lovely way. And you can in a real sense do anything with the innovation. The organizer behind ETH Vitalik Buterin delivered the white paper of the coin in 2013, preceding the coin's underlying coin presenting back in 2015. Ethereum establishment was likewise a drive of the organizers behind the Ethereum organization, yet the originators need to leave the organization, since it was reported as a not-for-profit organization formally. The ICO was held in Florida, where the originators behind the ETH sold more than $18 million worth of coins. The sum was planned to use in the advancement of the venture. The coin needed to hang tight for a long to get itself on the board. The clients began to move the coins in 2015. The hard fork was one of the significant occasions held in ETH history. The hard fork update was proposed by the originators, since they figure it would keep programmers from getting into the ETH blocks. Ethereum, a support point in the market. Ethereum is a decentralized organization. The clients on the organization are called hubs, which are holding the organization's information on various servers. This makes the organization profoundly secure from malware assaults. This is the fundamental distinction among Bitcoin and Ethereum, as the two organizations are putting away information in a totally different ways. The exchanges on the organization are altogether open to the next network clients. Whole blocks are shared by excavators on the organization, with the goal that different clients can see what is at or erase from the organization. Ethereum past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum is $1,630.21. And ETH is presently positioned number 2 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Ethereum is 120,222,579 with a market cap of $195,988,295,332. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Ethereum's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.66% as of now. Ethereum is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ETH is down to nearly 0.39% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH diminished by 13.675%, dispensing with an incredible typical amount of $258.24 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase and open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change is around 3.91%. And the cost flowed from a base typical cost of $1,539.51 to most extreme normal cost of $1,647.19 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Ethereum has shown a developing pattern. Subsequently, we imagine that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost. The coin is up by 19.02%. with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $1,207.02, and the base typical value of was around $1,191.63 in beyond 4 months. We foresee future Ethereum cost expectations. ETH estimate, by applying profound man-made brain power, helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Ethereum. We give our altogether most extreme verifiable information for the ETH coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Ethereum market cap, Ethereum volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. The cost of 1 Ethereum is supposed to reach at any rate level of $2,048.41 in 2023. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2,335.71, with the typical cost of $2,139.84. All through 2023. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. Ethereum cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $2,933.70 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $3,614.92. with the typical gauge cost of $3,019.29. ETH value conjecture for 2025, as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH in 2025, the cost of Ethereum is estimated to be at around a base worth of $4,395.39. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a limit of $5,124.95. with the typical exchanging worth of $4,516.16 in United States dollars. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH in 2026, the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least degree of $6,464.36. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $7,573.29, with the typical exchanging cost of $6,690.17. Ethereum value expectation 2027. Ethereum cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $9,173.05 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $11,332.05, with the typical estimate cost of $9,440.65. Ethereum value expectation 2028. According to the figure cost and specialized examination,